So a really insightful book on this topic of navigating through changes is this book, Neuroscience for Organizational Change. And I was actually given this from a mentor of mine. And what it dives into is the neuroscience, the biology that goes on in our brains as we try to go through this process we call change. So there's a lot of insights in this book, but the thing I want to focus most on is this idea about the brain. And the brain is designed, primary above all else, to make us survive, not to make us happy. For our brains, the goal is survival, and they are very good at this. To survive, the brain needs to do two key things: avoid threats and seek out rewards. And the threat is far more important. The threat response in our brains is far stronger than the reward response. It goes on to say that the threat responses, they kick in faster, they're much stronger, they last for longer, they increase the heart rate, they increase cortisol, the stress hormone, and they decrease dopamine, which is often seen as the pleasure hormone. So if you're trying to navigate this thing called change and you find that resistance, that difficulty within it, it's designed to be that way. The brain wants us to survive, and it sees that, okay, what we've done so far, those habits have led to us surviving. We're still alive today. But if we change, then who knows what's going to happen? So let's resist that. It's part of the process. So if you want to set yourself up for the best chances of success, navigating this thing we call change, then you need to do two things. One, understand that resistance is a part of the process. You can't change without a little bit of resistance. It's how the brain works. And second, you want your constant focus to be on progress, moving forward, not necessarily the end goal, but am I getting better today than I was yesterday? Am I improving as I go? Because that'll focus you on the reward response and thus help drive you in that direction until you get to where you want to go.